subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more exciting ideas. We need red and white foaming sheet and cut it into a heart shape. We need a branches of tree and attach the heart on the branches with glue gun. Now we need a jute and cut it. Now we need 2 wine bottles and attach the jute at the center of the bottle with the glue gun. Now we attach a decorated branches on the bottle with the glue gun. We need a jute rope and make a jute bow. Bow at the center on the branches. And also attach the beads at the center of the bow for more decoration. And it's looking nice. Now we make a tissue paper bow. Tie the bow with the jute rope and make also a little jute bow in the center and add some also beads on it for more decoration. The white bow at the top of the bottle. Now our wine bottle die is ready.